What's happening, guys? Just want to make a quick video to announce the winners of my Christmas giveaway. There were 93 users with a total of 766 entries, so thank you to everyone who entered. Unfortunately, I can only give away 3 sets. I did want to do more, but the shipping costs were above my budget because of the weight. So let's go over and draw the winners. And the winners are Tom, Robin and Andreas. So well done to you guys. I'll contact you soon to get your info so I can get them posted out to you. Thanks again to everyone who entered. I'll be doing more giveaways in the future, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next build.